Hello everybody, my name is Caleb Turner. I'm a senior here at the University of Charleston, and I'm also a student in Math 116, also known as the Survey of Mathematics. And tonight I'm going to be talking about the problem that I missed on Test 3 and redo the problem so I can give you the correct answer. The problem that I'm going to be doing is the last problem, and it says, and this is what the question states. If we draw a 5-card hand from a standard 52-card deck, what is the probability that all 5 cards are hearts? Now, when I originally set up the problem, I knew that it was going to be a combination and not a permutation because we are going to see what kind of combination we can get from 5 different hearts when we draw from the deck. So I knew then I was going to use NCR, not NPR. So, but where I went wrong was how I set up my fraction. I set up my fraction in a way that put 52 NCR 13 divided by 52 NCR 5. And that gave me a very wrong off-base number that did not even equal a percentage. However, once I set it up correctly by reversing it, where it was 52 NCR 5 divided by 52 NCR 13, I received 4.09 times 10th to the -6th power, which meant that there was going to be 5 zeros in front of the 4. However, upon looking at this closer, I quickly realized what other mistake I made. And instead, what I did was that I rounded to a number that was, and this is what it is. Here I have my question. I have the 5 cards and the hearts, and I show that it is going to be a combination. Once I show what's wrong here, once I show what's wrong and how I set up my fraction in an incorrect way with too many zeros and so on and so forth, I then rewrite my fraction to the correct method. And in here, 52 NCR 5 equals 2,598,960. 52 NCR 13 equals 6,350,135,596. When I divide these two, I get a percentage of 4.09 times 10th to the -4th power. And once I do that, once I write it out properly, I get 0.000409. However, since probabilities are usually expressed in percentages, I then wrote it to the proper percentage by rounding to the nearest hundredth, and I got 0.0409%. As a result, if you were to draw 5 cards from a standard 52-card deck, what is the probability that all 5 cards are hearts? That you would have a 0.0409% chance that all 5 cards will be hearts. That's certainly some chance, but not a lot. I'm Caleb Turner from the University of Charleston, speaking for Math 116. Thank you very much.